You gotta go pee or you just gonna chill? You just gonna chill? What's going on, boys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jordan with Exotic Whips, and thank you very much for watching, for tuning in, for spending a little bit of your day with me. I appreciate that. And with Rambo. Hey, I thought you said you had to go pee. So today I got some fun stuff planned, but I had to let this little dude out before I vacate the premises. We're gonna be hopping in the E36 M3. If you're new to the channel, I know I say this every video, but this is my project car. It's got an S54 engine swap in it. I've been working on it for a long time, and I have a lot of fun stuff planned with it. But anyway, I want to focus on one part on that today. So let me take this dude out. I'll get back in there. Hey. Alrighty, boys. Here is what I want to focus on today. This beauty. So this is, it's actually kind of like a CSL knockoff airbox. It's fully carbon fiber. I don't know if it's just hollow inside, but basically Roman over at Boost Logic, who's done a bunch of these swaps, he asked me if I wanted a carbon airbox. I'm like, duh, who wouldn't want a carbon airbox? And he's like, well, I have a really good source for one. I've used them on basically every S54 E36 swap that I've done. He actually gets them from eBay. I'll see if I can find the link. I know, like I've told you, he's in Germany, so I don't know if I'll be able to get it from him. But he's like, they're $500 or $600 bucks, $500 to $700, somewhere around there. Whereas like a real CSL airbox for an S54 is going to be like a couple thousand, maybe more. So this is by far one of the loudest intakes I've ever had on a car. It makes so much noise. If you've ever had a car with an aftermarket intake, you know there's like a certain point where you hit the throttle and there's like a whistling noise. This makes so much more than just that. So I wanted to try and portray just how much it actually makes. So that's my goal today. I'm gonna try and do that for you. But before that, I wanna check the oil, since if you're new here and you didn't watch my last video, this car does have an oil leak. We're thinking it's oil pan gasket or maybe rear main seal. Not a small leak, but it's not a game over leak. At least not that I think yet. Not that Roman has said not to be worried about it. It's still drivable. I do notice it feels a little different. So I don't know. We'll go out and we'll go out and take it for a drive today and see how it feels. We'll go from there. So, as always, cold start. Alright, so this is what I got. I got this guy right here. I got that guy right there. And then big boy camera, which I'm probably not going to use. But let's go for a quick drive just so I can show you guys what this intake noise is all about. Because I'm telling you, I've had R8s, I've driven Gallardos, I've driven a lot of cars, and this intake is crazy loud. If you have an S54 and you're thinking about getting the intake, you've just got to hear this thing. So let's go for a drive. Already I can hear that thing. Again, I know this camera isn't going to be the one I focus on in this. It's going to be that, but it is so loud, the intake noise. That sounds like too. This video just took a weird turn. First gear I have. Second gear I have. Third gear I have. Fourth gear I have. I don't have a fifth. Or a sixth. Well, this went from being about an air intake to not having a fifth or a sixth gear. I'm all proud of my 6-speed trans. I only have a 4-speed trans now. What in the heck? It's like it goes way forward too. No, yeah, something is. And when I try and put it into sixth, all it does is like grind. Yeah, fifth is non-existent. I mean, how I haven't even been able to like rip on the car yet. How is that even possible? All the other gears function, reverse functions fine. Yeah, I don't have a fifth gear. In fact, let's see, that feels like it's in. No, it just... Ooh, sixes. Wow, something is not right there. I literally haven't been able to even do anything with it. Wow, okay, well, I wanted to make a video for you about that carbon airbox, but I don't have a fifth or sixth gear. That is going to take some digging. I mean, if you've been following this build, you'll know watch the last video. There's a big oil leak that looks like it's from oil pan gasket, but it's getting back basically to like oil pan back, so it's bell housing on the trans, everything. And you know, I drove it yesterday and everything seemed normal for the most part. It seemed like some of the oil had gotten into the, I know this seems far-fetched, I think I even mentioned this in one of my other videos, but if it was a rear main seal, it felt like the clutch could be slipping at some points. And I don't have 800 horsepower, so this clutch should be able to hold the 310 wheel horsepower that I have. But that is, man, that took a turn for the worse, man. What a bogey. Well, if you're new to the channel, man, smash that subscribe button, because you're gonna want to see what goes on with this. Now I have to get a hold of Roman over at Boost Logic, because I got the trans and everything from him. And again, I'm not saying this is his fault or their fault in any way, but you know, I put 104 miles on this thing, so definitely something's not right here, especially given the fact with all the oil leaks and man. Anyway, guys, smash that subscribe button. I'll figure out what's going on with this. I'll keep you guys posted, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.